flow of blood through the heart. The human circulatory system consists of a network of blood vessels that circulate blood throughout the body and the heart, an efficient pump that controls the circulation of blood. The heart has 4 chambers and has valves, which act like doors between these chambers. Why is the heart divided into 4 chambers? What is the purpose of the valves in the heart? How does the heart ensure that every part of the body receives blood? The structure of the heart is very closely connected to the way it functions, and in this video, we will find out why. The heart receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs in the left atrium. When the left atrium contracts, this blood then flows into the left ventricle through a valve. This valve, like all other valves in our body, ensures that the blood flows in only one direction. When the ventricle is full, the valve shuts. The left ventricle contracts and pumps the blood into the aorta. Aorta is the main artery that carries blood away from the heart. It branches into many arteries to reach the different parts of the body. These arteries do not have valves, as the pressure from the heart is so strong that the blood can only flow in one direction. Arteries branch further to form a network of thin capillaries. These capillaries bring the oxygen-rich blood to different cells of the body. As blood moves through these capillaries, the oxygen and nutrients move into the cells where they are used to obtain energy. The carbon dioxide released in this process goes into the capillaries. The capillaries eventually merge into the veins, which carry the carbon dioxide-rich blood towards the heart. Unlike arteries, veins have valves. Why do you think veins need valves? Veins have valves to ensure that the blood which is flowing with lesser pressure than in arteries flows only in one direction. The veins from the body come together to form the main vein called the vena cava, through which the carbon dioxide-rich blood enters the right atrium. The blood flows into the right ventricle from the right atrium and through a valve. When the right ventricle is full, the valve shuts, preventing the backflow of blood. The right ventricle contracts and pumps the blood into the pulmonary artery. The word pulmonary means related to lungs. The pulmonary artery takes blood away from the heart and into the lungs. The pulmonary artery branches into 2 arteries, which go into each lung. The carbon dioxide-rich blood flows through the pulmonary arteries into the lungs. In the lungs, it exchanges carbon dioxide for oxygen. Now, the oxygen-rich blood flows through the pulmonary vein into the left atrium, and the cycle continues. So, now we can see why the heart has 4 distinct chambers. It is to ensure that the oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and the carbon dioxide-rich blood from the other parts of the body do not mix. In summary, oxygen-rich blood flows from the lungs into the heart. The heart pumps this blood to the other parts of the body. The carbon dioxide-rich blood flows from the other parts of the body to the heart. The heart pumps it back into the lungs. This cycle, in which the blood passes through the heart twice, is called double circulation.